Hello everyone, my name is Diana Carolina Gonzalez and today I will present you the development of some steps regarding the task 2 Living Leisurely of the course English 2. First, I am going to start with the step 3. In this step, I needed to write some sentences with the vocabulary related to free time and fitness activities. So, I will be starting with the activities that I like, and then I will tell you about the activities that I do not like. So, first, I like running on weekends. I am good at cooking. I am into exercising in my free time. I am interested in becoming a great teacher. I am keen on learning to play the guitar someday. I am crazy about reading a novel. Now, I will tell you about the activities that I do not like or I do not enjoy doing, such as I dislike washing the dishes. I am not good at swimming. I am not much into watching horror movies. I hate waiting so long for my food delivery on weekends. I can't stand hearing people chewing. And I don't really care for becoming good at math. That will be part of the step 3. Now, I will talk about this step 5. In this step, I needed to write some sentences or describe part of my routine and my sister or friend. In this case, I selected my sister. So I will tell you what I wrote about my routine and then her routine, and then we are going to talk about also the similar things and the things that we do differently. Okay, so as part of my routine, I go to exercise every day after work. I like lifting weights in every workout. I enjoy doing squats every Monday and Friday. I like to read when I'm not at work. I love listening to music before I go to sleep. And I usually go running on Sundays. As part of my sister's routine, she likes to exercise every day before going to work. She likes lifting weights in the gym. She enjoys doing squats on Tuesdays and Thursdays. She likes to go out with friends during her free time. She enjoys cooking at home and she never goes running. She prefers go hiking with her friends. Now, here are the similar things and the different things we do comparing our routines. We both like to do exercise every day. However, I do it at the end of my day and she does it at the beginning of her day. We both enjoy lifting weights at the gym. We both enjoy doing squats but on different days. We do different activities on Sundays. I go running, but she prefers go hiking with her friends. Now, I will tell you about the step 8. In this step, I needed to write some sentences describing the image that I selected. So, when first of all, I need to say that the characteristic that these sentences need to have is that they need to be written using the present continuous. So, the monkeys are hanging from the tree. The boy is feeding the koala. Some boys are watching the monkeys. The girl is photographing the monkeys. The boys are eating ice cream and the girls are riding on the camel. That will be regarding the image. And to finish, I needed to write some sentences regarding temporary events going on in my life recently. So, I would like to share with you that I'm currently reading a book. I am having a lot of things to do at work. Right now, I am trying to have discipline to study and work at the same time. My mom is recovering from a surgery. My sister is helping me with a personal project. My dad is trying to be on a diet. I am starting to have healthy habits. I am exercising a lot. These days, I'm eating more fruits and vegetables, and my personal trainer is helping me to lose weight. Thank you so much for watching. Um, this is the development of the step 3, 5, and 8 according to the activity guide. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you so much. Hope you are having a great and excellent day. Thank you.